Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something very special, but you're going to have to stick around until the end because first I want to do a quick recap on my journey. I hope you don't mind and I hope you listen through because it's been absolutely insane. So, about a month ago, somebody reckoned, I saw Felix on an interview a couple of times already on YouTube. So I thought, I must actually check out Stray Kids some other time. And a friend of mine, my daughter's friend, said to me, Auntie Yolanda, you're going to have to go look at Stray Kids. And when you react to Chick Chick Boom, I want to sit with you. So I said, okay, I'll do that. But I thought, okay, I'll check out Stray Kids, guys. So it has been absolutely phenomenal. It's been phenomenal. But I wanted to give you a recap of where I am in my journey. And I hope you enjoy it with me, right? So yes, first of all, yay, and thank you to the stay. Whoop whoop. I've got 140 subscribers. My goal was 100. So thank you very much to everybody, but mostly the stays because they have been absolutely incredible. So 140 subscribers. So my next goal is 500, guys. Let's see if we can get to 500. I'm doing this for my own enjoyment because I love doing reactions on K-pop. And so far, I haven't watched any other K-pop except BTS and Stray Kids. So I am enjoying my journey very much so far. So I wrote down a couple of things, guys, because I'm 54, the age is creeping in. I cannot remember everything off the top of my head anymore. So yes, what I wanted to say was, and please put it in the comments, is where do they go live? Because I've seen little clips of Bang Chan and the guys going live. Do they go live on V Live? Do they go on Weverse? Where do they do their lives? Because I would love to tune in to their lives sometime as well. The other thing I want to ask, most of the guys are in their 20s now, right? So Chan is the oldest, so he's 1997, he was born. So he's turning 29 this year. So I know in Korea, all males under the age of 30 have to do mandatory military service. So where is the stance? Where are they, with military service? Because listen, I bawled my eyes out when BTS went for their military service because it was to me, in the beginning, I thought, oh my word, now how long are they not going to make music? But luckily they had backup, right? But where is Stray Kids on there? When are they? Does anybody know when they are going for their military service, or are they going to wait a while? Did they get some sort of extension or whatever? Just let me know in comments if anybody knows that, because I would love to know if they must still do their military service or if they have completed it already. The other thing, yes, guys, as I say, the stay have been incredible. Commenting on my videos, so positive, and helped me such a lot in the comments. And most of my viewers, 98% actually are ladies, but 96%, sorry. But I want to say welcome and thank you to the guys that are watching my channel also. I know you guys are out there. You are welcome to put in the comments if you are a guy, because sometimes with the handles, the YouTube handles, I don't know if it's ladies or gentlemen, but it is awesome. Thank you for the guys watching. I just wanted to give you a shout out because it's been amazing and I was surprised that I had some guys watching me as well. Um, guys, so I want to give a few shout outs to people um, because I have received such a lot of love, as I say, and I normally give shout outs to some people that commented and helped me a lot. So, Memories Unknown is the first one. Then we got Kalinda LC 4543. Next is Penny Petruccia. Then we have Fortaleza. And then we have Efren Faiza uh, Efren Faiza Tikbal. And then we have Sharon Kennedy 368. Next one is One Off the God. We have honey underscore bun. Only a thought is the other person. Snapdragonfly. Lilykip. Then we have Yan Bayan Love J3E. Then we have Amichan Daisu. And then we have VIP Stay Atom. So those are the shout outs I want to give, guys. Yes, as I say, it's been an incredible journey, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love to see all of your reactions, and I answer each and every comment. You can go, look, I pride myself on answering each and every comment because I love to connect with fans and with people that appreciate the channel. So you'll see I'll answer your comment. You can, if you put a comment, I'll always answer it, right? Um, a little bit about, we've been talking about biases and that kind of thing. And I was so torn, in different directions. And I know some of you in the comments, you don't have to choose a bias. You can, OT8 all the way. And I love all of the guys. I love absolutely all of them. Each is special and unique in their own way. So, they all have each their own special qualities, which makes them phenomenal. And they're all fabulous. Um, I am, I am leaning, I'm besotted with Lino. That is, if you guys want to know, I am besotted with Lino for some other reason. I don't know why. There's just something about him. He surprised me. His vocals have surprised me. And as you know, I'm a sucker for vocals. But even though he is a dancer, he does rap as well, obviously, but his vocals have just blown me away. His vocal has absolutely blown me away. So I am besotted with him. But Felix, I also love because Felix is just Felix. I mean, who can love Felix? He looks like an elf. He looks like an angel. Like somebody in the comments said, he's got the face of an angel and the voice of a demon, which is absolutely unreal. It is so true. And in that guide that I watched, they said he's got the voice of an angel and the face of an angel and the voice of a demon, which is absolutely incredible. I cannot for the life of me believe that that is what is coming out of that beautiful, smooth, um, uh, little face, that sweet little face, that voice is coming out of that body, which to me is unbelievable. But he's got the sunshine personality, and it warms my heart. It absolutely warms my heart. Whenever he is on the screen, I just got so much love for him also. And then you know what? I've been surprised because Han comes in and then just barges in and with all of his skills. I mean, I was also surprised with his singing and his vocal range. Being a rapper, or mostly doing rap, but he's just got in. I don't know. There's something about him also that I just absolutely love. And as I say, each of the guys are special in their own way, and you'll see it. I mention it in all of my videos that each one of them have some unique, special thing about them. So but Lino, I think, guys, Lino for me is just, I don't know, there's something about him. There's something about him that I cannot put my finger on. So I received a lot of wonderful comments, a lot of recommendations. And as I say, I'm going down this playlist that I found on YouTube, right? So eventually I will get out to I will get to all the songs that everybody has recommended. And there are many. And like you will know more than me how big their discography is, how many songs they actually have. And that's why I've been starting to do 3 songs at a time because somebody said in the comments, Yolanda, you will never get through all of them if you do them one at a time. So that is why I started doing them 3 at a time. But I hear you, I see your comments, and so I always reply to the comments. People have recommended songs, anything from God Menu and Venom to Chick Chick, Do It, Divine, Creed, Bleep, 0801, Lover from Yanjin, um, Walking on Water, La La La, Volcano, and then Hans Volcano, Back to Life and Alien. People have said to me, I must go look at the covers. Love Me, Youth, those covers. I want to get into the dance practices still. They said I must go check out the zombie version of Main, the suit version of S-Class. There are so many. They said I must go check out the dance of Domino and Tar, and then I must go check out Play with Fire, When the Party's Over, and then Studio Tunes Motley Crue. They also said I must check out Wow and Taste and Easy and Tiger Inside. So, guys, I hear you. And it's incredible how much there are to watch. So, I will try and get to as many of those as possible. I just thought I'll mention because that is the comments that keep on coming up. Killing Voice keeps on coming up, and if you haven't watched it, I just posted it, Killing Voice. So go check that out. I did react to the Killing Voice, and it was amazing. It was incredible, and that is where I figured out that Han is my icebreaker because man can just do it, all, sing, and everything, and he surprised me so much. They also said I must go watch the mixtape Dominate with the Tires, Truman, Escape, that kind of thing. And then Hall of Fame, and let's go look at Lino's service episode. So that is why I just thought I'll mention some of the things that was mentioned in the comments. So you know, I hear you, I see you, and I do answer a lot of the comments. I try and do every single comment I try and answer, and I have so far. Touch wood. There's not thousands yet, but I will try and answer as many as possible when it comes to that. But today, guys, I'm doing something very special. This has also come up in the comments many, many times. I saw a snippet of it on one of the guides, and I thought, I cannot wait for my playlist to get to this song eventually. So I'm going to sneak this in. I'm going to sneak it in, right? Oh, by the way, have been telling me in the comments, I must please get the microphone and so that the echoing goes away. I'm sorry, guys. You're just gonna stick. I'm just sticking with it for now because I haven't. I'm working through the laptop's microphone and speaker, so it's going to be like this until I get a microphone, whenever that is. So yes, so this song I'm going to do today, the music video I'm going to do today is come up many, many times in the comments. And that is why I wanted you to stay till the end because this is a little surprise I'm going to throw in and sneak in. As I say, I cannot wait to get to this because I saw a little snippet in one of the guides. And we're going to do it right now. And you don't know what it is yet, right? But I'm going to show you. So today I'm reacting to Cinema with Lino and Sungmin. Oh, guys, I was just too excited. I couldn't wait for it to come up in my playlist. So today I'm going to do it. I'm going to do Cinema because I have been dying. I've been itching to react to this. I've never heard the song. I've never seen the music video. So let us get into it. I want to see what cinema is about. So here we go. Love the concept of the video.
내 곁에 아무것도 없을 때 이미 한 불빛 틈 사이로 넌 다가와 내 옆에 앉았고 그 순간 암청과 함께 문이 열렸네. When this light goes down, story starts to rise up. 스쳐가는 This is our cinema. Let me be your cinema. This is our cinema. In this film tape 담겨진 우리 모습 바라지 않게 I remember 오래도록 간직할게 From every moment I will see you When this light goes down Story starts to rise up 스쳐가는 운명 사이로 오늘의 막이 열려 Never stop writing down 언제까지라도 나 till the end of the show Never let it go Can't need you, can't leave me Here the light shines again Ending credits going up You and my name Together on it with the final curtain call And the night after night When you cannot find your way I'll be waiting Welcome to our cinema
Oh, wow. That is incredible. Such beautiful words and a beautiful story. And the voices, guys, you can see me. The voices uh, are incredible. The voices are, the vocals are phenomenal. Their voices, they sound like two angels. I mean, it is, it is incredible. It is absolutely incredible. Um, I don't actually know what to say. I needed to sink in because that is the most beautiful song. Um, I mean, from all of the songs I've heard, that is the most beautiful song I've heard from them so far. It tells a beautiful story. Um, it's sad, but it's also uplifting, and it is the melody is just incredible. I love the melody. I love the drums in there, but I also love the softer parts in there and the softer parts in their voice. I mean, both Lino and Sungmin, they are incredible vocalists, guys. There's just no two ways about it. They are absolutely incredible vocalists. Um, I would have never thought that Lino was, you know, in the dance structure. I would have thought if I just listened to him the first time, he would be in the vocal raja, but that is something else. That is something that I will remember for a long, long time, and I'm gonna listen. This song is definitely going on my playlist, guys. Definitely going on my playlist. Yeah, so it's been incredible. This is shows you, the amount of talent that these guys have. I mean, it's insane. It's insane, and they're only in their 20s. I can imagine where they're going to be in 10 years, 20 years, probably, still doing this today, to this day. I mean, to when they are older, they will still kill it. But that was an absolutely beautiful song. It was a beautiful song, and I will listen to it over and over. That's the type of thing I will listen to thousands of times. But yes, guys, that was incredible. It made me very emotional, but that was an amazing song. That was an amazing song. Thank you very much for recommending it. Please put it in the comments what else you want me to watch. I want to try and keep to the playlist, guys, but this one I thought I should sneak in because it's been recommended so many times, and I did hear that little snippet in the guide, and I'm so happy that I did. I'm so happy I did. But thank you to the stays. Much love as always, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.